They are Maxima. Let's go and discover them together. Follow us. As usual, let's start with some technical features of the boat. 800 stands for 8 meters. So the length of the boat is 8 meters 255. The width of the boat, we have 200 horsepower installed today. Honda, Ocon, 2 engines with 200 horsepower each. That makes a total of 400 horsepower powering this fantastic boat. Access to the sunbed at the bow at the front is ultra safe and comfortable. In fact, at the door to the cabin, because underneath we also have a cabin, as I mentioned to you about the super safe steps. The passageway is very convenient. In fact, right here inside the boat, I feel super safe, and I can reach the sunbed at the front completely relaxed. At the front, the space. There is also plenty of space here. In fact, even if I want to lie down, I'll show you right away. I can do that completely relaxed. 2 people can fit in the double bed even here at the front. Nothing problematic. And if I move the access to the sunbed at the bow to Beethoven, and thus the door in the form of a step, or the steps in the form of a door, when I open it, I move completely onto the railing and climb down into the cabin. Here too, the steps are definitely comfortable. I enter this beautiful cabin. Come with me, let's discover it together. Double bed at the bow. We have 4 sleeping places. In fact, right in front of me, we have an additional transverse double bed spanning the width of the boat. So 4 people can sleep very comfortably on board this boat, the Maxima 800 cabin. And we also have the separate bathroom. Let's discover all the details. When we go down into the cabin, immediately to the right, that is on the right side as you go down the steps, we have the separate toilet area. At the moment, a chemical toilet is installed, but of course, it's also possible to install a marine toilet. In front of me is the sink. There is also space in terms of width here. The height is manageable, but still, you can be really comfortable on the boat for a weekend or a few days. And you can take care of everything you need for a toilet of this kind in complete comfort. All the technical information about the boat as well as the commercial details can be found in the drop-down menu of this video and always in the drop-down menu of the video. You will find all our contact details to learn more, to go into detail, and also for commercial inquiries. Why not quickly form your own opinion about this brand new Maxima 800A cabin? If you don't want to miss any of our videos, you just need to subscribe to this channel. From the boat show in Düsseldorf 2025, I'm not excited. What can I say? Fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.